Well, this is going to be my little story about how I bought a pickup truck for $50. Started out with $50 bill. I bought this motorcycle. It was not running. There was no spark. Carbs all gunked up and stuff from old gas. It looked like hell. Every little bit of it was scratched and sun weathered and everything, and there was a nest of bees in the airbox, and so I took it all apart, cleaned it, put it all back together, and it starts pretty well. And so now we'll see if I can't get it to start. So she's a good runner, clear title. It's a 1981 Yamaha DT 175 two-stroke enduro, and once I got her running and cruising and everything, put on Craigslist looking for a trade. I've had offers from all kinds of things, you know, old Celicas and even a dump truck and everything. You know, it's just sort of holding out, hemming and hawing for the right trade, and I think I got the right trade coming to me this afternoon, so we'll see what arrives and if it's any good and if I'm going to make the trade. And would you look what showed up? What we got in here is a 1988 F-150 pickup. Looks like it's a short wheelbase, 300 inline 6-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission. It's not without its issues, which we'll delve into at a moment, but exactly what I'm looking for. Nice big old truck. As you can see, it's seen better days. Some parts of it are just sort of cobbled together. None of that in there works. Would have surprised me if it did. You gotta stick your hand down in here and wiggle it on, and it's got a button. But she's a good runner. Look at that idle. Gorgeous. Oh no, my check engine light's on. Wah, wah, wah. Yeah, gotta fix the clutch master cylinder too. Doesn't really like to engage. Oh, there you go. Yeah, doesn't really like to engage. Do that again. Oh. Come on, old girl. Let's put on a show. Come on. Alright. Let's go for a little pasear. A little walkabout. Oh yeah. That's the stuff, alright. I'm digging this engine, man. Got a bunch of torque to it. Oh yeah. It's definitely going to be fun to rumble around in. That's that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you buy a pickup truck for $50. Well guys, I'm just not entirely convinced that this is going to be the truck for me. It's a great runner. I addressed all the problems with it. I replaced some hinges on the doors and the hood, and fixed that master cylinder problem with the clutch, and it's a great runner, a good reliable truck, but I just don't think it's what I want. So I'm going to try and make a trade today for it, and we'll see what arrives, and I'm going to fix whatever arrives up and sell it. I'm going to sell this bike here, this Yamaha Sika, and once the Pathfinder finally gets its engine reassembled, I am going to sell that too, and with the proceeds I will buy a brand new Volkswagen Beetle. No, just kidding. A hybrid Prius. No, I don't know what I'll buy, but it's going to be awesome. So let's go take this truck, make sure that it's ready for sale. Let's go take it on its final voyage. Alright. Yeah. It's a good, reliable truck. Ugly as sin. There we go. Alright, very good. Now pushing the clutch. Bing. Look at this. Smooth as butter. Can't beat it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Awesome. Let's go take it on a voyage. Don't want to hit my cream puff. Bye, cream puff. Both ways. Who wants to rent a canoe? Don't drive into the pond. A little bit off-roading. The puddles. Now the true test of a truck's worth. Can it jump the septic tank? Ah! No, I'm not gonna make it do that. Hello, cream puff. What a great truck. Get here and rev it out the exhaust. Oh yeah, it doesn't smoke anymore, does it? Built Ford tough. And so this is what showed up. It doesn't look like much now because I've already disassembled it for cleaning and restoration. It is a 1995 Ninja 600 by Kawasaki. I know I could get it spruced up and running good and everything, and I could add it to the fleet of bikes, but is this really what I want? I'll have to think about it. And so now the Ninja is running really well. Looking pretty good too, all reassembled and everything. Give a little demonstration. So yeah, not really my style. I think this bike's going to go up for sale on Craigslist. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of how it turned out and everything. Looks pretty good. Got a couple of rips in the seat here, but other than that, not too many other cosmetic blemishes. There's my bike right there. And all the projects. This is a client's bike. This little chopper here. This is getting parted out. This is my bobber project, which I'm sure you guys will see in another video sometime soon. Another part out, and this Vulcan here has already been sold. So, yeah, a couple of busy weekends ahead.